Welcome back to part 3 of our fiber-fueled book summary by Dr. Bulsiewicz, a board-certified gastroenterologist and internationally renowned gut health expert. If you've made it this far, you already understand the power of the microbiome and why plant diversity is key. But now comes the real question. How do you go from a damaged gut to a healthy one? From bloating, constipation, or food sensitivities, to vibrant digestion, high energy, and real food freedom? That's what part 3 is all about. In this video, we're diving into the gut healing protocol, Dr. B's practical, science-based method to rebuild your gut microbiome, boost fiber tolerance, and thrive on plant foods again. Brain first, let's recap the problem. Many people today have damaged gut microbiomes due to ultra-processed foods, antibiotic overuse, stress and poor sleep, sedentary lifestyles, low-fiber, high-protein diets. As a result, they experience bloating and gas, constipation or diarrhea, food intolerances, especially to fiber, inflammation, IBS or leaky gut, and a long list of chronic health issues. Here's the irony: the very foods that could heal them, like beans, veggies, fruits, and grains, cause discomfort when their gut isn't ready. So what do most people do? They cut them out. They go keto, paleo, carnivore, and feel better temporarily. But in the long run, they weaken the gut even more. That's not healing, that's hiding. Hammer and wrench, the gut rebuild starts here. Dr. B's solution? Reintroduce fiber gradually. Train your gut like a muscle. Just like you wouldn't run a marathon on day 1 at the gym, you shouldn't dive into high-fiber foods all at once. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Start low and slow. Begin with small portions of well-cooked, low-FODMAP plant foods. Think cooked carrots, zucchini, potatoes, quinoa. Blend or mash them if needed. It helps ease digestion. 2. One new food at a time. Don't overwhelm your microbiome. Add one new food every 2 to 3 days and watch how your body responds. Track your symptoms. Celebrate small wins. 3. Repeat, expand, diversify. Once tolerated, increase the portion or variety. Gradually add beans, lentils, leafy greens, onions, garlic, berries, and eventually up to 30+ different plant types per week. Microscope what's happening inside. As you introduce fiber, your gut microbes begin to adapt. They ferment the fiber and produce short-chain fatty acids, SEFAs, like butyrate, which white heavy checkmark reduce inflammation. White heavy checkmark heal the gut lining. White heavy checkmark feed colon cells. White heavy checkmark strengthen the immune system. White heavy checkmark even improve mood and metabolism. SCFAs are the currency of gut health. And the more plant diversity you consume, the more your gut pays you back. Green salad bonus tips for a healthier gut. White heavy checkmark fermented foods. Add small servings of sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, or kefir. These bring probiotic bacteria that enhance gut balance. White heavy checkmark prebiotic superfoods. Garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, and oats are packed with prebiotics that feed your gut flora. White heavy checkmark hydration. Fiber needs water. Drink consistently to support motility. White heavy checkmark sleep and stress. Your gut reacts to both. Poor sleep or high stress equals poor digestion. White heavy checkmark movement. Daily walking or light exercise boosts gut motility and microbial diversity. Warning: what about supplements? Dr. B recommends a food-first approach. But if needed, you can use a gentle probiotic during transition, a low-dose prebiotic fiber supplement, like partially hydrolyzed guar gum, digestive enzymes or peppermint oil short-term for symptom relief. But again, these are training wheels. The goal is real food, not lifelong supplements. Speech balloon final thoughts. The journey from gut issues to gut healing takes patience, consistency, and plant diversity. Don't fear fiber. Don't fear food. Trust your gut's ability to evolve, adapt, and thrive when you feed it right. This is how you move from "I can't eat anything" to "I feel amazing with plants." Movie camera in part 4, we'll dive into Dr. B's full fiber-fueled meal plan, including sample meals, how to hit 30+ plant types per week, and how to build your own gut healing routine. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss it.